Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Beauty Bomb Mom. If you're new, my name is Leah. I do makeup tutorials and I share tips and tricks for busy moms like myself. Or if you're just interested in makeup, hair, skincare, you've come to the right place. Now today we are going to be talking all about eyebrows. As you can see, I don't have my eyebrows done right now. So I'm going to be showing you about 4 or 5 different ways that you can apply your eyebrows. And this was a request from a viewer. So thank you, Marianne. I've got my little guy here today so I can show you guys just how easy it is to do your eyebrows even when you have kids around. So the first method is powder. So you can take any powder, like a brown, a tan, a black, whatever color your eyebrows are. And you're going to want an angle brush. So what you're going to do is pick up a little bit of powder on your brush and just lightly fill them in.
Elbows. Let me
like
try.
So this is kind of what the finished brow would look like, and that's the brow with nothing on it. So this is just a very light, quick, easy way to fill in your brows by using eyeshadow or powder. All right, so the next method would be an eyebrow pencil. So I've got a few different ones. This one is the Milani Easy Brow. It comes with a spoolie on the end, and then on the other end it has this retractable pencil. I also have the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil that comes with the spoolie, and it has a twistable pencil as well. If you want something more precise, this is the NYX Professional Microbrow Pencil. So this one is a very, very thin tip. You can really get in there and do more detailed work, whereas these two are more softer. So I'm gonna show you what the e.l.f. one looks like, just to give you a quick idea. You just kind of go along your brow line. And you're gonna want your brow to start about like right here. And then end, if you put your pencil diagonally from your nose, you're gonna want it to end right there. And the arch should be about 75% of the way, like so. So as you can see, I've done these with the Easy Brow by e.l.f. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you this NYX Micro Pencil. The tip is quite a bit smaller. So as you can see, with the Micro Pencil, it's just a lot more defined than with the simple e.l.f. pencil. So there's 2 different ways you can do your eyebrows. I'm gonna take this off and show you my next method. So my next method is actually from iMethod Beauty. It's the Eyebrow Stamp and Stencil. So it comes with a little stamp, like so, and you can reapply in here to get the ink, if you will. It comes with a bunch of stencils, so you just pick which stencil fits your brow the best. Apply your stencil. Start at the end of your brows and go inwards. And there you have it. So that's the one that's more defined and precise, as opposed to the non-existent one. If you want to smooth out the edges, you can use an angle brush, like so. I'll just go ahead and do the other side. All right, so brush up your hairs if you have any hairs. Start at the outside and work your way in. But make sure it's lined up properly first. Start at the outside, work your way in. I can get rid of that with a bit of foundation. But yeah, that is the eyebrow stamp method if you want those really defined and bold brows. Although this is the shade dark brown, they do have many different shades. You could probably get a light brown or a blonde. I just chose dark brown because I do have a darker hair color. And again, if it's too pronounced of a line for you, you can take your little angle brush and just lightly smooth out the edges. And if you want to darken up any spots, you can just go ahead, take a bit on the spoolie and go through your brow. So another thing you can do, you can actually make it look like you have little hair strokes with the micro pencil or just a very fine, thin brush. So if you want to do that, you can kind of just go up like that, just at the edges of your brows. Sometimes that really defined feathered look is in, but I kind of prefer just the classic brow look. All right, so there you have it, all the different ways that I do my eyebrows. If you like this kind of thing, please go ahead, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so that you know every time that I'm uploading videos. Thank you guys so much for coming to my channel, and thank you, Marianne, for that suggestion for all about eyebrows. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and we will see you next time. Bye!